Hi everyone, so today my Anova insulated container has finally arrived. So this was previously actually out of stock, but it has arrived, and today I'm going to do the unboxing for this container. I'm going to show you guys actually what is inside this container. It's a very simple setup, I believe, but it's pretty heavy because this thing is entirely stainless steel. So let me just get this box out of the way. Okay, so let's see what is inside. So it's actually quite well protected. I like the design of this thing is because the whole thing is pretty slick and the entire color is actually black. Okay, so they have actually packaged them separately, which is the body, together with the top, which is actually the cover. I've read online that the cover is actually hinged, that is easy for you to actually open up to check on your food and easily to retrieve the things from there without touching the steel container itself, because the body itself actually is made of steel and it's double glazed, so-called double glazed wall. There's two layers. Why? Because for insulation, and they claim that this container has practically zero evaporation. So we shall see about that, and we shall test it out in our next video, where I will actually pit this container against the regular container that you get online, and we shall see which one actually heats up faster. Okay, so as I've told earlier, that the cover actually is hinged at one side, so it makes it easier for you to open up and retrieve your food from there. Okay, makes quite a bit of sense here, and I must say that the design is really very slick, and they actually have silicone coating around this thing so it actually doesn't slip, which is pretty smart of them. So the body is pretty much standard, but the edges here has been layered with silicone. So like I said, it actually makes the cover non-slip. So when you put it in, it actually fits to the T. So you can see that the container, I'm trying to move the cover with a bit of strength here, and you can realize that the cover does not slip at all. So with condensation and evaporation, usually with this plastic container that I have here, you can see that actually the cover moves quite a bit, but because of the indentation, it doesn't move at all. But this is actually one entire flat piece that's just lying on top of the body itself. So additionally, it came with this package here. This is just, I assume it's a bit of the instruction. I'm not too sure what it is. And it's just a quick start guide. Okay. You don't probably you don't need this, because everything that you will need to know about this is actually on the Anova website itself. But something very interesting here is that they actually give you 3 different collars. So you can see here, there's 3 different collars. What are they for? Obviously, they are for this exposed. If you can see in the video here, it's for this exposed stainless steel part. Okay, why 3 is simply that they are for different sizes. So we have here, what I'm holding right now is actually the Anova Pro. This is the collar for the Anova Pro. Okay, they have the collar for Anova Nano, which is the smallest one of all the sous vide machine. And of course, they have the last one, which is the Anova 4.0, which all of them actually the collar fits into this just nice and snug. Just that the center portion where the diameter of the hole is. So you can see here that the circumference is actually slightly different to fit a different machine. Yeah, and Anova Pro being the biggest one, of course, you can see that the circumference is the largest for this one. Okay, so this is a very simple stuff from Anova, but more importantly, I'm excited to try out how is it way better. Does it really reduce time in preheating the sous vide container? Does it really save you time and energy? and how fast does the temperature actually increase and whether there's any form of evaporation at all, okay, which I will actually do in my next video. So that's it for the unboxing of this Anova insulated container. Okay, previously it's out of stock, but actually now it's back in stock again. So I'll see you guys in the next video when I pit this container against your regular container that you get online. I'll see you guys in the next video.